Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So, in the last video, we did see that how you could write up a test and how you could run that out. Now, into this one, we are going to see that let's say you are having up the multiple test files you are having up, and you want to run them, all of them at one single time. So, how you could do that, right? So, that thing we are going to see. So, let me do a one simple thing very quickly. Let me make up a new test file as well once again. So, here goes the new, here goes my Python file. Again, I would repeat it up that whenever you are writing up your test file name, make sure that either you are writing up the test in the starting or you are writing up the test in the ending, because if test is not written in the starting or ending, it is gonna not run out your test file. Okay, so now why? Because wherever it finds up written as test, it automatically treats them as a test file. Okay, so that's the complete idea. So fine, here the test demo one is written, that I would be keeping the same only which we did written right up the last time. For now, I could make up a new file, new one. Okay, so here goes my div, and now I have test underscore a. Okay, put up the brackets, the colon, get down. Here goes the assert function. Okay, so assert is somewhat, let's say assert 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, so this is my first function which I did made up. Moving towards the, okay, assert added already told you that as we used to put up and use up if else conditions while in the normal Python. So here for the PyTest we use up this assert function. Now this assert function as well lies under the Python programming only. Okay, it's not nothing any much different that I have taken from anything anywhere else. Okay, it is not that respective case. Simply, the assert is as well one of a type of a function which we have up here into the Python programming language. Fine. So, hope I am clear with that. So, this is very much sorted at this particular place. Next, moving ahead. Okay, whenever your test case fails, it means that whenever you are having the failure into your test case, so it's gonna show you the assertion error. Fine. So, next is test underscore B. Okay, putting up the colon, getting down. Here goes my assert, and now I'm going to write up 3 multiplication 3 is equal to 30. That's double equal to. Fine. My second test. Let's say I write out one more here. So this is test underscore C. Put up the brackets, colon, get down. Here goes assert and simply write 45 is equal to 45. Okay, now these three are my respective tests which I have written onto this particular file. Okay, now what I would do, I would run this out. So first of all, let's say I would be running only the simple file. So for that, I could write a PyTest -v, and what's my file name? My file name is test underscore demo2.py, and hit out enter. So, okay, it showed me that one is failed and the two are passed. Let's go above and check that out. So, it collected in total 3 items. So, yes, in my file, I was having in total 3 functions. So, my file name was test underscore demo2.py, the same for all the 3. And my test A has been passed, test underscore A has been passed, test underscore B is failed, and test underscore C is again passed. So, this is how it's the passed and the failed works. Next, here we are having up the failures. Okay, now my test failures which I'm having up here. So my first file which is being failed is the test underscore B. So onto that, the condition which I did put, that was assert 3 multiplication 3 is equal to 30. So absolutely that's wrong, because 9 is not equal to 30, right? So in that case, I got up an error, and that is my assertion error as well, because I told you whenever that is not gonna run, it will show you up the assertion error. So yes, it's showing you that out. And now here you have of the short test summary information that the field test case was in the file which is test underscore demo2.py. In that test case was test underscore B, and the case which you did wrote was 9 is equal to 30. Okay, so this was first of all the idea. Next, you were having that one is failed and two are passed. That's quite clear, that's as well quite okay, right? Now let me close this out. Let me go to here, and if I could put up one simple one as true, 12. Fine. Now I want to run up both of these tests at one single time. Okay, so what I would do? PyTest -v. hit out enter. Now into this respective case, what is going to happen up that both of the test cases which you are having, both will run simultaneously. It means add together, both of them are going to run up. Let me take you above and show you. See what it did? It collected 5 items in total. So my test file, my demo file 1 was having 2 functions and demo 2 was having 3 functions. So 3 plus 2 in total it's 5. So it collected all of them at one single go, right? So it collected 5 items. The first one was passed, second failed, third passed, fourth failed, and the fifth passed. Now here you could as well get up a confirmation that which test file is from which file. So this test underscore demo one.py, into this respective file you have test underscore one function that is being passed. Again in test underscore demo one.py you have the function which is test underscore two and it is failed. Next in test underscore demo 2.py you have test underscore a and it has been passed. Next in test underscore 2.py you have test b which has been failed and the test c is being passed. Let's go down and have a clear look over these. So the failures are test underscore 2, right? So test underscore 2 in that the condition was 20 is equal to 21. So absolutely that's false. So that's the reason it's giving me up here the assertion error. And this respective test was written onto the file which is test underscore demo 1. Okay. Moving down I have the second test which is my test underscore b. Now, into that, whatever that case which has been failed up here is 9 is equal to 30. So now this is not at all true that 9 is not equal to 30. So in that case, you are getting up here the assertion error because my this respective test case has actually been failed. Right? Now what I would do, I would get down. So now here's a short summary info regarding these. So here we are getting that for failed, it is test underscore demo 1 file. The function name is test underscore 2. That has been failed. Next in the test underscore demo 2.py file, test underscore b has been failed. And these are the conditions which have been failed, that is 20 equal to 21 and 9 equal to 30. So in total you have 2 passed and 2 failed and 3 passed. This is how it's showing up the summary. Now let me do a one simple thing. Let me make all of these as wrong. Let me write up all of these test cases are actually failed. 4 and this, right? Let's do that out. I would go onto the terminal and simply write up your PyTest -v and hit up enter. Now see what it is gonna give you because I made up all of the test cases as false, right? I did made that out. So here it is showing that the collected items are in total 5, right? So the demo 1 and demo 2 both the functions have been failed and in demo 2 all the 3 functions have been failed, right? Getting down here it is showing me up the failure. So in your test underscore 1 is your failure, so you are getting up the assertion error. Secondly, test underscore 2 is again a failure, so in that you are again getting up the assertion error. Moving down, you have test underscore a, so that's again a failure, so it's giving you assertion error. Test underscore b as well and test underscore c as well. So all of these 5 are giving you the assertion error because all of the things which you did mention up here, all of those are false, right? All the conditions which you did put up, all the functions which you did made up, all of them have been failed. That's the reason it's giving you this type of output. Now here's a short summary that which function lies in which file and that has been failed. So you got that out and here it's the final output that 5 failed in this much number of seconds. And now last one demonstration which I want to give you, I'll be making all of these as true. So it's 12, it's 20, 20 is equal to 20 and 6 into 12, it's 24, it's 9 right here and downside here we have the 45. Right now I would go on to the terminal, write up the command once again, PyTest, okay, PyTest -v and hit up enter. So this time I did make up all of my conditions as true. So what it showed that collecting 5 items in total. So these are the 5 items. My test 1 and test 2 from my test underscore demo 1 file and my test A, test B and test C from this test underscore demo 2 file, right? And all of these 5 have been passed up here, right? And in total you have 5 passed test cases for your files, and yes, we did write up those only, right? So hope I am very much clear with this particular thing as well, that how do you write up these things and how do you run up multiple test files at one single go, right? So hope I am very much clear with all of these respective things to you. So this is all for now, and we'll be meeting up in the next video with some new stuffs for the PyTest. So this is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.